Hi, my name is Casey Skillen from the Advanced Technical Support team at Schneider Electric. Today I'm going to be showing you how to discover a Masterpact MTZ circuit breaker and a Compact NSX circuit breaker on the FDM128 display. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to look at is the settings of the FDM128. You can see the IP address here at the top, the subnet mask and the default gateway. Now when you search for the Masterpact MTZ circuit breaker, default gateway IP is the IP address of the actual IFE that's on the MTZ breaker. So in my case it's 169.254.5.140. So I'm going to pop that in here and click start. This will launch the device discovery. It'll take some time to do this, around 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm just going to speed the clip up for you here. Okay, so we can close this now, and you can see here it's found the Masterpact breaker. So if we tick the little box on the end, hit OK, and I'm going to click yes here on additional gateways because I want to add a Compact NSX breaker as well. So if we put the IP address in of the IFE that the NSX is connected to, and then launch the device discovery. Again, this will take about 3 minutes. Again, if we hit close here, you'll see we found the Compact NSX, so we need to tick the box and click no to add additional gateways. And there you can see the MTZ and the NSX breaker with both of their IP addresses as well, so we know what we've got. Once you click OK, it will go back out to the general view and you've got your two breakers there. So if we can go into them, and as you can see there, we've got the various options on the left hand side. You've got quick view, which shows what position the breaker is in. In this case it's in the open position. We've also got the pre-alarm and the overload alarm LEDs on the right hand side for 90 and 105%. And if you go through the menus on the left hand side, we can see the measures tab, which will show you all of the readings, the real-time readings of the actual circuit breaker. We've got the alarm history. We've got the control option, which allows you to open and close the breaker if you had a motor mechanism fitted to it. And then the maintenance tab, which will show you various diagnostics. So if we hit escape, we can go and do the same thing on the NSX breaker. And you'll see you've got exactly the same menus here. Okay, and that's how you discover the Masterpact MTZ and NSX breaker on the FDM128.